Hi guys, good morning and welcome to my channel, Ordel's Kitchen. Guys, this morning I would be making some chicken patties and some cheese rolls, Guyanese style. Actually it's my daughter's and my husband's birthday tomorrow. So I just thought, I'm gonna put on a spread of all the favorite foods and snacks that they like. So guys, I would be making our favorite chicken patties and cheese rolls today, okay? So I've got my ingredients here that I would be using. Um, I've got some black pepper, guys, some hot sauce. I've got some cornstarch. I've got some sweet soy sauce and some complete seasoning. Some chicken seasoning. I've got some tomato paste. I've got butter, lard, what you call shortening. I've got some onions, some mustard, some crushed garlic, some red and green bell peppers, and I've got my cheese. Now this is the white cheddar cheese and the red Leicester cheese, okay? And here guys, I've got my chicken. Now my chicken is already prepped. It's already parboiled, stripped, and well seasoned, okay? So guys, the first thing I would be doing is to prepare my fillings for my chicken patties and my cheese rolls, okay? So let's go over to the cooker and I'll show you how I prepare the filling. We'll start first on the chicken patties filling, okay? Okay, first thing I'm doing guys is to saute my onions and garlic and let it go. My onions, garlic, and red and green bell peppers, and let it go for about 4 to 5 minutes to get tender. Then everything, all the flavors and everything infuse. So I'm gonna let that go now guys, and then we'll come back. Next I'm gonna add my chicken guys. Mix well. Let it all those flavor infuse and blend together. I'm gonna add my seasonings guys. Mix well. I'm gonna add my color guys because I don't want it to look white in my patties. So I'm gonna add the color. Mix well, and guys, I'm gonna add a little water to this because it looks a bit dry. I'm gonna add some water. Add some water. I'm gonna let this go guys for a few minutes and we'll come back. Next guys, I will be adding some cornstarch. Yeah, and the cornstarch, you mix it with some water and dissolve it. So I will be adding this to thicken up my filling, so it would look nice and juicy. It wouldn't look too dry in my patties. Okay, so I'm adding my cornstarch. And it will thicken this up. So I'm going to let this go now, guys, until all of that liquid dissolve, and we'll be right back. Okay, guys, and while my patties filling is going, guys, I'm going to do my cheese filling. So in my blender jug, I would be adding my cheese. I'm adding my cheese, guys. Some butter. Butter. Mustard. And hot sauce. So I'm going to go over now to my blender, guys, and I'm going to blend this up and mix this all together, and then I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. Okay, guys, when you finish mixing all your cheese filling together, guys, it should look like this. Okay, so this is my cheese paste for my Guyanese cheese rolls. Yeah, so guys, I'm gonna go over now to the stove and show you the outcome of my chicken patty filling. Okay, guys, and this is my chicken patty filling, guys. It's all done and it's juicy, moist, juicy, and delicious, guys. Okay. So guys, now I'm gonna go and work on my, I'm gonna leave this to cool down, guys. This has to be very cold before you can use it in your pastry dough. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this to cool down, guys, and I'm gonna go and work on my pastry dough now. Okay, so in this bowl, guys, I've got my flour, so I'm gonna add my butter. And my shortening. And I'm gonna go in with clean hands, guys, and I'm gonna rub this all into my flour. Okay, until it look like sand or fine breadcrumbs. All right. I'm gonna carry on doing this, guys, and then I'll come back and show you when I'm done. Okay, guys, so now I'm gonna go in. This is how it should look when you're done, guys. When you're done rubbing all the butter and the lard or shortening into your flour. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna go in with some ice cold water, and I'm going to press and squeeze and bring this dough, this pastry dough, together. You're not kneading, you're squeezing and pressing. Yeah, and I would be adding the water a little bit at a time to bring this together. Guys, I'm gonna carry on doing this and then I'll come back. Okay, and this is how your pastry dough should look, guys, when you're done. bringing it all together. So guys, what I'm going to do next, I'm going to go ahead and wrap it in some cling wrap and place it in my fridge for about 30 minutes to chill, and then come back and take you through the next step. There's my cling wrap, guys, and I'm gonna place my pastry dough in it like so. I'm gonna wrap it up and place it in my fridge. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead now and place this in my fridge, guys, and then we'll be back to start the baking process. Okay, I've got my pastry dough here, guys. It's been sitting in my fridge for the past 30 to 45 minutes. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna start filling in my patties, my chicken patties. So what I'm doing here now, guys, I'm gonna cut my pastry dough in 3 parts, because you could see it's a lot of pastry I'm making today. So I'm gonna cut it in 3 parts, and I'm gonna work with one piece at a time. So the other 2, I'm gonna place this back in my fridge until I'm ready to work with them. Okay, so I'm gonna put this back in my fridge. So it could keep chilled, and I'm gonna work with this half. All right, so what I'm doing here now, guys, I'm gonna roll this out and cut it out and start filling in my pastry. And I've got my 2 baking sheets there as well. I'm gonna roll this out as flat as possible. Like so. And then I'm gonna start cutting out my pastry. Okay, I think that's flat enough for me, guys. So I've got my pastry cutter here. I would be using this one for my patties. So I'm gonna cut the round circles and start filling in my patties. If you have a patty pan, you could use the pan. I've got one somewhere, but I just decided to just use my cutter and cut them out. Okay, so that's what I would be doing, just cut them out with my cutter. Okay, guys, I finished rolling out my my chicken patties and my cheese rolls, and I get 3 pans of chicken patties and cheese roll. That's my pans there, guys. Of my chicken patties and cheese rolls. So what I'm gonna do here now, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and brush them down with my egg wash, and I'll show you how I do that. Like so. Brush them down like so, guys, with all that beautiful egg wash. I'm gonna carry on, guys, brushing them down, and then I'll come back and show you when I'm done. So they've all been brushed down thoroughly with the egg wash. So I'm gonna go ahead, guys, and I'm gonna punch some holes in it with my fork like this, like that. And show you. Look at that, guys. The holes make them look pretty. There's like little air pockets. I'm creating little air pockets in them. Look at that, guys. Put my holes in them. Look how pretty they look. Okay, so I'm gonna do the other tray and show you. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna carry on doing this, and then we'll come back and I'll take you through the next step. So guys, all of my pastry has been brushed down and little holes have been sticked in it, guys. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go ahead now and I'm gonna place this in my oven for about 15 to 20 minutes, and we'll be right back to show you the finished product. Okay. Okay, this is the finished product, guys, of my Guyanese chicken patties and cheese rolls. Guys, if you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. Please like, share, and subscribe. All the measurements and ingredients would be down in the description box. If you're new to my channel, you're welcome. Please hit the subscription button and the little notification bell so you would be notified whenever I upload a video. Guys, this is my take, and I'm so proud of my chicken patties and my cheese rolls. As you could see, some of my cheese rolls, some of them split open, but that's fine, guys. That's cool. It's the taste and the texture that count, guys. And what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna break one of these open and show you how juicy and flavorful and how flaky my pastry are. Okay, look at that. My pastry is falling apart in my hand. Look at that. Okay, so guys, this is my take on my cheese rolls, and I'll show you my chicken patties and what it looks like on the inside as well, guys. Oh my God, look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at my pastry, how flaky and soft and delicious it is. Look at the inside, how juicy my filling is. Okay, so guys, if you like my video, as I said, please like and share and subscribe. It would really help my channel. Thank you for all your support, guys. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you once again, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.